Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare vitamin K7 versus K2. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of these forms of vitamin K, focusing on their roles in your body. Understanding these differences is crucial for optimizing your health. We'll cover their sources, how your body uses them, and their unique benefits. Let's dive into the specifics of each type. Vitamin K2, or menaquinone, plays a critical role beyond just blood clotting. It's essential for bone mineralization, ensuring calcium is deposited where it's needed most. K2 also supports arterial health by preventing calcium buildup in soft tissues. This broad category includes several forms, each with unique properties and benefits for your overall well-being. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health insights. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's focus on MK7, which is often what people mean when discussing specific K2 benefits. This particular form of K2 is known for its excellent bioavailability and extended activity in the body. Its longer half-life means it can effectively reach various tissues, providing sustained support for bone density and cardiovascular function. natto is a prime dietary source. When we compare K2 generally with MK7, remember that MK7 is a specific, highly effective form within the K2 family. While K2 encompasses various menaquinones, MK7 stands out for its superior absorption and prolonged action. This makes it particularly efficient for long-term health support, especially for bone and heart health, compared to shorter-acting forms like MK4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.